Hello, we're looking at the Australian dollar, US dollar daily chart. It's Wednesday, 31st of October 2012, and the time is 9:52 GMT. After a friend of mine on Instagram asked me how I draw the trend lines, I considered it important to share with you my point of view and my take on the subject. So this is a very simple, very easy trick I use when I want to have a bigger picture of the markets and of the time frame I'm trained in on. So I just zoomed out instead of zooming in. Okay, when you zoom in, you have this view, and if you zoom more, you have this view. Okay, but if you go out, if you zoom out, you will get a fuller view of the chart for the particular time frame you're trading. And what I saw here is I saw a coil forming here. I decided to draw the lines and to draw the trend lines. To draw a line we need 2 points. So for the lower trend line I used this lower low and this lower low, and for the upper trend line I made a small compromise, which is highly subjective, but this is how I saw it. I will explain it to you. I took this higher high and this higher high instead of taking this and this here, because I see that this one here represents a very, very extreme deviation, so it suited better for my eye to draw the trend line this way. Maybe I am wrong, and maybe it will be proven that the trend line should be moved a bit. And maybe it ends up giving more space on the upper side for the price to move, and maybe this is the right one, the right way to do it. But anyway, you got my point, you got my approach to this. Be simplistic. We see here a huge move, which for some reason is like being pushed from the upper side and from the lower side to form a triangle. And at the closing edge, at the angle of this triangle, we should expect a huge breakout. Till the breakout happens, the price is trapped between these two lines, and we can, with a high degree of possibility, we can trade for profits following the price line and the price action, and using our other technical indicators, we can trade for profit either upwards or downwards within this zone. Thanks for watching.